We're gonna do a little after dinner recap of some 2014 Elite that I ended up buying. Yeah, so I think this was the first box. One of these things, on these Clarity, D'Angelo Williams, not numbered or anything. Savage, 10 of 97. Ryan Tannehill, 35 of 49. Aaron Murray, on-card auto, which I wasn't expecting, so that made me be interested in it a little bit more. So I wasn't really sure if they were all on-card or not. Michael Sam, this one's sticker, but you know, it's whatever. 87 out of 90 out of 9, turn of the century. Game used patch. Not event worn fucking shit. Von Miller, I think that's what, 6 of 10. What's up? What's up, you big guy? Dalton, it's number to 190/99. Rookie, Montana and Kaepernick, passing the torch. Randy Moss and Cordell Patterson, passing the torch. Russell Wilson Elite Series, Phillip Rivers Elite Series, Torrey Smith Elite Series, Legends of the Fall, there's Mike Wallace, Clay Matthews, Peyton Manning, and these face-to-face, Newton and Breeze, Green and Hayden, which makes sense because, you know, they tackle him, I guess. I don't know. Clay Matthews and Stafford. Brady and Manning. And a couple of these turn of the century. Lacey and Brett Smith. So I decided to buy a second one. Ray Rice Clarity. Manziel rookie. Jarvis Landry on card. Reggie Bush number to 199 throwback. Another freaking Aaron Murray, number to 199. Austin Fareen Jenkins, number to 87. Dwayne Bowe, 1 out of 25. Oh, that's pretty cool. Okay, so we're going to stop and we're going to talk about this. This makes no sense. Panini, this makes no sense. Passing torch Brady to Manning, right? So, Randy Moss, Cordell Patterson, Joe Montana, Colin Kaepernick. So he started after Peyton Manning. How is he passing the torch? Just saying. This is stupid. This makes no sense. You guys dropped the ball on this. Just saying that. And then a Manning number 1 of 10. It's not very thick, so I think it's just one color jersey. Another rookie. See, Marshall Falk to Zach Stacy, veteran to rookie. Another Clay Matthews, another Mike Wallace, another Peyton Manning, Legend of the Fall. Greg Robinson, turn of the century. Elite Series, Demaryius Thomas, Antonio Brown, Colin Kaepernick. Then one of these, wherever they are, cards, kind of laser cut cards. Kaepernick, Tallis and Smith, face to face. Johnson and Peterson. Lynch and Bowman. And then, there you go. Irving's boy, Tony Romo and Eli Manning. So, really like this stuff. Like the fact that for the most part you get one on-card auto, and my jersey cards were not event worn stuff, which I freaking hate. So yeah, not too bad. Panini Elite. All right, see you guys.